Juggle, juggle. Much cooler weather. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Let's get these beds planted up. Fall gardening. I enjoy fall gardening because of the cooler weather. Just because it's fall, it doesn't mean that I have to give up on all of the beautiful fall color. Let's get some before and after pics. Looking pretty shabby right now.
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean. Love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to.
Look what I found as I was digging in the soil. Potatoes. Juggle, juggle.
You say you need a time. I think you mean a buyout. Cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah. I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing.
All right, ELOCs. I've been working hard out here. As you can see, the sun is setting. Here I've got some cabbage. I've got some parsley, lemon thyme. Here we've got some broccoli and also Brussels sprouts. I do not like Brussels sprouts. What I told myself is one day I'll plant them and I'll see what they taste like, because the ones that I've tried out of the grocery store, I don't like them. I was the same way with peas. Never liked sweet peas growing up. Once I grew them myself, I love sweet peas. Who knew? So I'm gonna give Brussels sprouts the same opportunity. Then I'll be able to say for sure if I like them or not. Still have eggplant, peppers growing. As long as they're producing and not holding up the fall garden too much, I'm gonna go ahead and let them stay. Look at your girl. Look at your girl. The leisure pepper, I've been waiting for it to turn color. It's been green for quite some time now, several weeks, and this is what I've been waiting for. Yes, so I'll probably go ahead and harvest her tomorrow. So I don't want anything to happen. This one you can see the red is coming in as well. Not as large as this one, but you know, that's how it is. And it's really hard to show you what I planted because it's dark now. So what I'm gonna do is I'll bring you back in the morning when we have some daylight and I'll show you what I planted. All right, so I'll see you guys back in the morning. Delta, Coda, Eden, and Nala. Hi, Nala. All right, so this is the next day. We've got full sun. I went over to our pine tree and collected some pine needles. Pine needles are a great source of mulch for your plants. Mulch helps to retain soil moisture, protects the soil during the harsh winters. All right, in this bed I planted a purple pansy. So I love that color even during the cold winter months. Definitely helps my mental. Pretty purple. That's going to be so pretty in the dead of winter. And here we have some parsley. Coleus is still doing its thing out here. Here we have rosemary. It's a Swiss chard. I had it in a pot, but decided to move it here in my raised bed. I grow it in the spring, summer, fall, and winter. So pick up some Swiss chard. I am in Maryland, Zone 7B, here in the DMV area. Here's an ornamental kale. I love these in the winter. Very pretty. I love the purple tint here. I decided not to pull out the okra. It's still thriving. It's actually doing better in this cooler fall weather than it did in the summer. Here I've got another okra plant. Down here I have the yellow pansy. And here we have the lieutenant broccoli. There's one here, there's another one there. I decided to place the pine cones to see if it would help with the slugs. I don't know, we'll see. I'll keep checking those leaves for pests. So yeah, broccoli, and then we have, love that lemon thyme. Here's another pansy, yellow pansy, again for more of that fall color. Beautiful. These here are chives. These are those Brussels sprouts. One here, another here, and another here. Purple pansy, of course, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Almost forgot this. This is parsley. And so I love to mix the flowers with the veggies, with the herbs. They all work together in harmony, and it looks pretty, especially when everything fills out. It's going to be so pretty. And I've got some spring onions here. And when I'm done here, I'm going to plant out my garlic. I usually plant out my garlic in October. Marigold here from the summer. My collard greens, which serve as pest control during the summer months. See, those young and tender leaves are starting to grow here. A bee just landed on my finger. Hi, BB. Another ornamental kale here, of the purple here in the center, as well as the purple veins. Very nice. More collards that have overwintered. I think this might be the second year now that I've had these. We'll see how long they last. This is another lemon thyme. Another purple pansy here. More parsley. I like to plant and grow what I actually eat. Yellow pansy. So I just wanted to show you what I was unable to show you last night. My dogs are barking. And I'll do weekly updates on the garden and how it's doing, how the plants are growing, what makes it, what doesn't make it. Speaking of what's making it, begonias, one of my top 3 plants that I absolutely love. A must in my summer garden. But unfortunately, as soon as the frost hits, it's a goner. But I'm going to enjoy them for as long as I can. Aren't they beautiful? Just so classic. I think I'm going to pick this up and move it. Right here on the end. Some of these brown leaves. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the update. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.